Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 350 SL, 1972 year of issue. This 1972 Mercedes-Benz 350 SL featured with 2 tops and finished in cream, complemented with a tan interior. Equipped with an automatic transmission, V8 engine, power-assisted steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, twin exhaust finishers, VDO instruments, quad headlamps, side moldings, body color removable hardtop, convertible soft top, European bumpers, front fog lights, 4-spoke steering wheel, Ironman white line tires, jack, and a full-size spare tire fitted in the trunk. Additional convenience features include adjustable bucket seats with head restraints, center console, outside rear-view mirrors, a glove box, and cigar lighter with an ashtray. If you like our videos, subscribe, you'll help us a lot. Number 2. Chevrolet Camaro. 1979 year of issue. The car is mostly original. Had the car running a couple times, but found it needs a cam as previous owner put in roller rockers and definitely over-tightened them. When it came in, I put on new tires and replaced 2 bad rims. Original paint, interior and engine. If you are looking for a project, this is it. Number 3. Dodge Tradesman, 1973 year of issue. (1973) Dodge Tradesman mid-length van. Rare 360 engine, new starter and relay. Automatic trans. Power steering. Power brakes, original dealer AC van. Rare porthole bubble windows, pop-out rear windows. Full set of flares and front spoiler, fat wire wheels. Hood scoop, swivel seats. Diamond stitch interior and tons of extra parts. Number 4. Buick Special. 1955 year of issue. (1955) Buick Special. American classic, still driving. New tires, brakes, fuel system. Power steering and paint. Roadworthy, but several things could be done. It's a 55. Number 5. Oldsmobile 88. 1951 year of issue. (1951) Oldsmobile 88 Futuramic V8 great project vehicle. My father's car, set in the garage for years. Brand new battery transferable registration in my name. Spare white wall tire, 2 hubcaps, 1 chrome rocket, 3 tires, hold air, 1 ignition key. Number 6, Chevrolet El Camino. (1956) year of issue. You are looking at a 1956 Chevrolet Nomad. Two-door wagon that has been custom built into an El Camino. You will not run into yourself at a car show. This is a roller, no engine or transmission. I feel that my price of $8,000 is very realistic. For a classic vehicle like this one with the potential that this vehicle has. Number 7, Sunbeam Alpine, 1966 year of issue. This 1966 Sunbeam Alpine Series 5 that is finished in green combined with a black interior. This vintage vehicle is sure to turn heads wherever it goes, with its sleek lines and charming British design. This 2-seater sports roadster is equipped with a manual transmission, inline-4 engine, single exhaust outlet, Zenith Stromberg carburetors, front-wheel disc brakes, Jaeger instruments, Lucas branded ammeter gauge, black convertible soft top, Roots 1,725 inches motif fender badges, chrome bumpers with overriders, manual crank windows, driver's side rearview mirror, 2-spoke steering wheel, chrome hubcaps, and a full-size spare tire. As an added bonus, this Series V comes with its owner's handbook. A valuable resource for any owner looking to fully appreciate and maintain this iconic vehicle. Number 8, Chevrolet K10. 1978 year of issue. 1978 Chevy K10 4X4 SWB. Same owner since 1997. Was set up for a 454 big block, no engine, needs lots of work, lots of rust, needs a cab. Here are the good points: 350 turbo trans with shift kit, chain installed, 203 transfer case with part-time kit, 3. .73 Auburn Posey rear end tilted up. Brute strength U-joints, front axle 10 bolt open with worn lockout hubs. All parts less than 50,000 miles. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.